So we just get off the bus here at Epcot. So now, let's go get a little sanitizing things. I can't see if you can see it. Yeah, there it is. Hand sanitizing things everywhere you go. Now we get to go in. I'm interested to see how this is going to be. Yeah, that's Paisley's. Getting in here with the new rules and regulations. Being that this is the second day they're open, we will see what happens. See you inside. Well, that was pretty easy. As long as you take out your umbrella, water bottle, an aerosol can, put it in little gray tubs they have, and then you just walk through with the rest of your stuff. And if you go off, if the beeper goes off, they have you pull off to the side and then they check your bag like old school. Granted, the lines aren't that big, but it was a heck of a lot quicker. So pretty easy breezy. Granted, it is Thursday in the morning, so it's always going to be a little bit easier. But I'm so glad to be back. Back to the Epcot.
They don't have masks for the festival. It's all
That is fantastic. Oh, 4 months. I've seen that. So this is now our queue. Over 6 feet. Not everybody likes to follow it, but
at 11:30.
11:30 in the morning on a Thursday.
Hi guys, come in.
This is what you get when you get off the ride. Like a ghost town around here. Until you see people. It's crazy. Kind of eerie a little bit. No games for you. Take care.
You wait your food. Sit down. Just sit down.
Because this is what you need in Florida. The socks are sweet.
How soft it is. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't hear.
Oh, that's heavy. Look at this shirt. Oh yeah, that's going with me. That shirt is going with me. Well, we're in mouse gears, and this is some of the new merch. It's all a blur anymore. Been so long.
So let's go this way.
So it's super crazy. It is 12 o'clock.
I feel
on
like
a Thursday.
Relaxed.
It's
Just so relaxed.
Thursday once again. So a lot of people are at work.
But it's Thursday the day after they open.
And it's kind of eerie. There's like nobody here. A little bit of people up in the front near test track and stuff. Not bad. Not even close to anything I've really ever experienced. But still nice. Not have to be walking all over people. And with it being 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit, it's not bad at all. Test track, of course, was down. We tried to go on that, but Mouse Gears was pretty cool. It was nice to be able to get in there, look around, see all the stuff. And of course, looking ahead, I see a bunch of people make a liar out of me, but let's take a look around here. And that was where I just came from. Nobody. It's kind of crazy. I mean, could you imagine this any other time of the year besides RONA time? Starbucks is still over here. Got one of the food over there. Everything's spaced out, lines everywhere you go.
Thank you for visiting us today.
And there's the announcement. Citrus Blooms open. So I've never been here before. So let's go check it out. Where's here, you say? This place. Right beside Jeffrey's.
I forget what
Over
it's
by
called.
Canada. I forget what this place is called. I think someone like that goes here all the time should know this, but it's the first time me going here, so we're gonna go check this place out and see what we got. I can smell the food already, even though I have the mask on.
I bet that's what it's called.
Oh yeah, I can smell the food. Oh, miss that smell. Let's check this place out. Never been in here before. I know important vloggers have, but not me. Hello.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Look at the fancy on those pants. It smells delicious in here, and it's air conditioned. So air conditioning and cool air. Air conditioning with the cool air, which I guess the air conditioning is the cool air. That makes sense. I'm new to this English thing. But it's pretty huge. And there's lots of room to distance in here. Everybody's wearing their mask. Festival favorites, desserts, nice champagne. Assorted orchards over there. Mac and cheese.
Yeah, it's got blue cheese crumbles. You lost me. And for you, you yeah, they like.
There's the main door. Ready? If you've ever seen it this dead in here, put a comment down there. Tell me when you've seen it this dead, because I have never. I have never seen it this empty before. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. And you literally, it's almost like they open just for you. And they have their own sanitizing. You step on that down there, and gotta get your hand close though. Doesn't pump out very far. And it doesn't smell good. But you just touched something and you need an emergency, you got it. Now, if you've always wanted to eat at the beer garden and you didn't want to sit with other people and eat, get here. Because the whole table's yours, no matter how many's in your party. You get to sit by yourself. I mean, you don't get the buffet, they bring it to your table. But you get to sit here by yourself. You don't have to be shoulder to shoulder with someone you don't want to be shoulder to shoulder with. Can't go wrong. Get here. Good time to be here. This is the carnage. I ate all that kraut. Love kraut.
I ate no kraut.
My queen, the German, is scared of kraut. This is the carnage. And so is that. At the beer garden, I'm very stuffed. Clouds aren't looking very happy right now. But this is probably gonna hit Mexico and get a, what are they called? Margarita. And then we're probably gonna call it quits for today. Hope we get out here before this rain starts.
It's gonna calm down, I can see it.
So thank you for coming along. I'll probably have some more. I'm coming back here again in a couple of days. But tomorrow, MGM.
Hollywood Studios, babe.
MGM to me. You all know. So, hopefully, I bring the camera and I record something tomorrow. We'll be back at Epcot. I'll record some more stuff. See you later. Once again, I'll show the crowds here. This is the busiest I've seen. Busiest I've seen so far. And it's over here by China and Norway. Now granted, it's 2:30 in the afternoon now. Yeah, pretty much any bakery in any of the countries is pretty much closed. If it is particular to that country, chances are they are not open. If it's kind of just Disney-ish for that country, they're probably open. Because I guess they're still waiting to bring people here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's so cool what they did here. Looks so good.
Ready to play? A fun new digital city is coming where you can play with...
It's 3:10. I think today's the 16th. A little tidbit, if you're staying at the campgrounds and you're leaving Epcot, usually, unless you're lucky, be prepared for a half an hour to 45-minute wait. And that's on a normal. That's not including COVID times. So we'll see how that goes.
Have a good day.
You too.
You too.
But otherwise, it's been great. Once you leave Epcot and you're going to the campgrounds, you're gonna, as soon as you leave the exit gate, you're gonna head to the right, and there's the last pavilion on the right.